Hello. Today I will tell, are watermelon seeds good for you? Among one of the most enjoyed fruit is watermelon. This squashy juicy fruit requires no intro as well as is extensively well available in the market. Did you know that these little black seeds are truly abundant in nourishment? The little seeds inside the big watermelon fruit have some enchanting properties. Let's find out more. But before that, let me know, have you ever eaten watermelon seeds? And have you always thought they shouldn't be eaten? Leave a quick comment right now. So let's start now. Outstanding wellness advantages of consuming watermelon seeds. Wellness advantages of watermelon seeds. They are reduced in calories as well as use a selection of trace elements like copper, zinc, potassium, magnesium, iron, folate, etc., which have different wellness advantages. Several of them are listed here. Great for heart and also resistance. Watermelon seeds are additionally related to more powerful resistance as well as much better health and wellness. As a result of the visibility of magnesium, these seeds can likewise heal high blood pressure, which is straight pertaining to the heart health and wellness. Intake of the watermelon seeds daily in modest amount aids in enhancing your heart wellness and also keeping your high blood pressure. Improves metabolic rate. Watermelon seeds are a giant of nutrients like folate, iron, zinc, copper, magnesium, potassium. These seeds are taken into consideration to be extremely nourishing, as they are likewise abundant in amino acids, healthy proteins as well as vitamin B facility. All these nutrients with each other aid in increasing your body's metabolic rate. Makes your bones more powerful. Watermelon seeds have a high web content of minerals like potassium, copper as well as manganese. And also these minerals along with various other trace elements assist in making our bones healthier. The seeds are related to enhancing our bones as well as additionally enhancing the bone thickness. No harmful fat. They have particular healthy and balanced fats which are incredibly essential for the body. Watermelon seeds are an excellent resource of healthy and balanced fats like oleic acid, linoleic acid, which is needed for correct performance of the body. As I have told earlier, watermelon seeds have a high web content of minerals like manganese, copper and also potassium. Watermelon seeds are a giant of nutrients like folate, iron, zinc, copper, magnesium, potassium. Watermelon seed oil is extensively utilized as the major component for aesthetic items that functions marvels in dealing with acne as well as very early indications of aging. Helpful for diabetics. These black seeds are actually handy in regulating diabetes mellitus. It is recognized to decrease the raised blood glucose degree as well as a result can be an excellent treat choice for people with diabetic issues. Boosts the top quality of hair. The seeds are full of healthy proteins and also iron that are understood to enhance the structure and also high quality of hair. It assists in enhancing your hair strands as well as additionally it advertises hair regrowth. As these are high in magnesium web content, it makes the hair healthy and balanced that consequently avoids hair autumn and also damages. Watermelon seeds are likewise connected with more powerful resistance as well as far better wellness. Usage of the watermelon seeds daily in modest amount assists in improving your heart wellness and also preserving your blood stress. Provides you beautiful skin. Watermelon seed oil is extensively made use of as the primary component for aesthetic items that functions marvels in dealing with acne as well as very early indications of aging. Include a couple of seeds in your everyday diet plan to obtain noticeably healthy and balanced skin. Exactly how to make use of watermelon seeds in your everyday life. Dry the watermelon seeds and also roast them in a frying pan. If you do not desire to eat it as a seed after that, you can likewise make it right into a powder and also to delight in the very same taste as well as advantages. Thank you for watching. Do you have any other ways you have used watermelon seeds? Leave a comment as it would be nice to hear about other uses as well. And click the link in description to check how the foods you're eating every day are making your fat cells sick.